Nag-issue ang isang korte sa Taguig ng temporary restraining order na pumipigil sa Makati o kahit anong tauhan nito na pigilan ang Taguig and its officials na kunin ng buo ang mga public properties na nasa loob ng mga Embo barangays sa loob ng 3 araw. Kinwestiyon ito ni outgoing Makati Mayor at senatorial aspirant Abby Binay dahil parang napakalapit raw sa eleksyon yung pangyayaring ganito at mabilis ang aksyon ng mga korte para maghain ng TRO at pagpapasok ng mga tauhan ng Taguig sa mga pasilidad na dating pagmamayari ng Makati to which they have no jurisdiction raw, and of course that the Makati or the Makati officials that would have had prevented these Taguig officials from taking over the public properties mapipigilan and cannot actually do anything kasi again, may TRO.
Para lang sa iyong kaalaman, lahat ng nangyan ay nangyari in the span of 1 week. A week before the election. First of all, yun pong Makati ay hindi po pinigilan yung take over ng Taguig based on the court order. They filed a new case last Monday. Today is Wednesday. Nag-file sila ng bagong kaso Monday. Pinasok nila ang health center ng Tuesday. Nag-open sila ng health center today. Pero ang TRO nila ay hanggang Friday lang. I question the timing because the health centers have been in that condition for 1 year and 5 months. Why did you wait a week before the elections to file a case and get a TRO and get possession of the health centers? If you are truly concerned, you're concerned with your constituents, dapat as early as January 2024, nag-file kayo ng kaso at ininsist nyong makuha yung possession ng property. Let's go back. The Supreme Court decision is not about ownership. It is about territorial jurisdiction. Hindi sinabi ng korte na lahat ng pagmamayari ng lungsod ng Makati ay napupunta na sa Taguig. Ang sinabi lang ng Supreme Court, Parcel 3 and 4 of MAP, PSD, whatever, ay parte na ngayon ng Taguig.